This is a ridiculously quick video. I'm going to go through my personal approach to differentiation. If you're coming from my integration video, which is very similar, this is way easier. First of all, what's my approach? Well, the first step in my three-step process is it something I just recognize? I personally tend to recognize these five. That's the ones I've kind of got memorized. If you're in a situation where you've got a formula sheet, next step is check on the formula sheet. Maybe you're preparing for an exam, and if you are, and that exam has a formula sheet, I'd say do all your learning for even the years beforehand with a formula sheet so you're ready. And then my third step, if it's none of the first two, presumably it must be chain rule, quotient, or product. I'm now going to do a couple of examples. We're not actually going to work any of them out, we're just going to try and decide which step to use. Okay, so this first one, this is a step one because that's definitely x to the minus 2. So that's one of the ones that I recognise. Let's not bother actually working it out. What about this one? I don't recognise it. It's not on the formula sheet. It's chain rule because there's something inside. So I'd have to put u equals 3x squared. Let's not bother working it out. What about the fourth one? Is that a standard one? No. Is that on the formula sheet? No. That's chain rule because I could put u equals 3x. I know that some people are going to be saying, oh, well, that's a standard one that I know because that's just a slight variant of this. You know what? I always tend to play it safe and just use chain rule, but each to their own. Anyway, I would do that as chain rule. Last one. What about this? No, I don't recognise it. I can't quickly and easily change it into one of those five. It's not on the formula sheet. It's not chain rule. It's not product. It's quotient rule because it's two things. It's a u over a v, so I could use that rule. There we go. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that was helpful.